You want to make money online? The internet's your oyster. Freelancing, that's the name of the game. It's about taking control. You're your own boss. No more 9-to-5 grind, no more soul-crushing commutes. Freelancers choose their clients, set their hours, and work from anywhere. Laptop, Wi-Fi, coffee, that's your new office. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or virtual assistant, there's a place for you in the freelance world. Got a skill? Monetize it. The internet's hungry for talent. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, the water's fine. Why is everyone jumping on the freelance bandwagon? Let me break it down. Freedom. You call the shots. Want to take a midday surf break? Go for it. Need to pick up the kids from school? No problem. Flexibility is key. Freelancing adapts to your life, not the other way around. Work-life balance? You got it. And the money? Let's talk about the fat stacks. Freelancers have unlimited earning potential. The more you hustle, the more you make. It's that simple. So ditch the cubicle. Embrace the freelance life. Freedom, flexibility, and financial independence await. Ready to dive into the freelance world? It's an exciting journey filled with opportunities. But first, you need the right platform to showcase your talents. Think of it as your digital storefront where clients come to see what you offer. Here are a few giants in the game that you should definitely consider. Upwork. It's the Amazon of freelancing, a massive marketplace with endless opportunities. With tons of gigs available, you can find everything from writing to web development and more. Whether you're a writer, a developer, or a designer, there's something for everyone. Fiverr. Got a unique skill? Offer it as a gig and attract clients looking for something special. Starting price? Just $5. Hence the name Fiverr. It's a great place to start small and grow big. Get creative, build a solid reputation, and watch the orders roll in as you gain more clients. Freelancer. A global platform with millions of users, offering a wide range of job categories. It's competitive but packed with opportunities for those who are persistent and skilled. Polish your profile, highlight your skills, and bid on projects that match your expertise. These are just a few of the many platforms out there. Each has its own unique features and benefits. Do your research, find your niche, and start building your online empire. The freelance world is waiting for you to make your mark. Section 4. Level up your profile. First impressions matter. Your profile is the gateway to your professional world. Your profile is your online resume. It's the first thing potential clients see, and it sets the tone for all future interactions. It's the first thing potential clients see. Make it count. A well-crafted profile can open doors to numerous opportunities. Start with a professional headshot. Smile, you're on camera. A friendly and approachable photo can make a significant difference. Keep it simple, approachable, and high quality. Next up, your bio. This is where you tell your story and connect with potential clients on a personal level. This is your elevator pitch. In just a few sentences, convey who you are, what you do, and why you're the best choice. Highlight your skills, experience, and what sets you apart. Be specific and use keywords that clients might search for. Keep it concise, engaging, and free of typos. Showcase your best work. Proofread multiple times to ensure there are no errors. Add relevant portfolio pieces that demonstrate your abilities. Quality over quantity, folks. Choose pieces that best represent your skills and expertise. Make sure everything you present is top-notch. Your portfolio should reflect your highest standards of work. Don't forget to gather testimonials. Social proof is everything. Positive feedback from previous clients can significantly boost your credibility. Ask happy clients to leave a review. A simple request can go a long way in building your reputation. It adds credibility and builds trust. Potential clients are more likely to hire you if they see that others have had positive experiences. Remember, your profile is your digital handshake. It's the first impression you make, so make it firm, confident, and memorable. Make it firm, confident, and memorable. A well-crafted profile can be the key to unlocking your full potential as a freelancer. Section 5. Finding your niche. What's your superpower? Time to niche down. What are you insanely good at? What lights your fire? Focus on your strengths. Are you a wordsmith? Offer writing or editing services? Got an eye for design? Become a freelance graphic designer? Tech savvy? Dive into web development or coding? Don't be afraid to specialize. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to target the right clients and command higher rates. Remember, you don't have to be a jack of all trades. Master one thing and become the go-to expert in your field. Section 6. Winning strategies. From bids to building a brand. Landing your first gig is a numbers game. The more you bid, the higher your chances of securing a project. Bid on projects that align with your skills and interests. Focus on areas where you can truly add value. Tailor your proposals, highlighting how you can solve the client's specific needs. Communication is key. Make sure to address their pain points directly. Respond promptly to messages, be professional, and set clear expectations. Timely communication can set you apart from the competition. Happy clients lead to repeat business and glowing reviews. Build your personal brand by consistently delivering quality work. Create a website or portfolio that showcases your work. Highlight your best projects and client testimonials. Network online and offline, attend industry events, and connect with potential clients. Building relationships is crucial for long-term success. Don't be afraid to experiment. Trying new approaches can lead to unexpected opportunities. Try different platforms, services, and pricing strategies. Diversifying your approach can help you find what works best. The freelance world is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. Stay adaptable and embrace the hustle. Your dedication and flexibility will pave the way for a successful freelance career. Section 7. The future is freelance, embrace the hustle. The future of work is here, and it's freelance. Millions of people are ditching the 9-to-5 grind and embracing the freedom and flexibility of the gig economy. Yes, freelancing takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But the rewards are worth it. You're in control of your destiny. You set your own hours, choose your clients, and build a business that aligns with your passions. So, what are you waiting for? The world is your office, the internet is your playground. Go out there and build the freelance career of your dreams. The hustle is on.